Hello and welcome to my story club show. Dear students, every day we are narrating one story, and I know these stories are helping you to improve your English. So, today, the title of today's story is Three Types of People. Dear friends, one day there was a teacher, and that teacher calls his student and he gives three toys to that student, and all the three toys were same looking. Their size and shape were same. The material from which they were made also was the same. And the teacher told the student, dear student, please find out the difference between these three toys. Then that student started observing all the three toys, and it took some time to observe those toys. His observation was very keen. So he saw that in the first toy there was a hole, and there were two holes, and both the holes were in ears. Then he saw the second toy. It had one hole in the ear and second hole in the mouth. And third toy, it had only one hole, and that hole was in ear. Then teacher wants to tell him, like these three toys, there are three types of men in the world. First toy, there were two holes in the first toy. There were two holes, and both the holes were in ears. It means when we are telling our problems to such type of people, they listen our problems. They show that they care for you. They are with you. They support you. They show like this, but actually they are not supporting us. Actually, they are not with us. How? Then that student took a needle and he put that needle in one hole in the ear of the first toy. That needle went from this side and came out from another ear. It means that such type of people listen our things from one ear and they give it out from the another ear. Means they don't care for us. So we should keep away from such type of people, because they pretend as if they care for us. They are anxious for us. When we are in problem, they show that they are with us, but they just listen from one ear and give up from another ear. They are not with us. It means we should keep ourselves away from such type of people. Then there was another toy, and it had one hole in ear and another hole in mouth. Then that student took a needle. He put that needle inside one ear, and that needle went inside and came out from the mouth. It means such type of people, they listen our problems. They listen everything from us, and they tell these things to other. They say to us that they will not tell this anybody. So we all our personal things or all other matters, because those people are our friends. We suppose that they are our friends, and we tell everything to them. We tell our every problem to them. We share our sorrows, pleasures with them. And what do these type of people do? They listen from ears. They listen our all the things from one ear and tell those things from mouth to others. Means such type of people are not confidential. such type of people are not trustworthy, and teacher wanted to tell that student we should keep away from such type of friends, or we should keep away from such type of people. And the third toy, it had only one hole, and that hole was in the one ear. And when that student put a needle into that ear, it did not come out, neither from mouth, neither from another ear. It means such type of people, they listen our problems, they listen our sorrows, and they try to help us, they try to support us, they are with us in calamities. Means they are our real friends, and we should keep in the company of such type of friends. Dear friends, here teacher wanted to tell that student that in the world there are three types of people. First type of people, they listen our problems, but they are not serious about our problem. They don't do anything to bring us out of those problems. So we should keep away from such type of people. Second type of people, they listen our problems, they show that they are careful in our matter, but they tell our problems to others, and they just mock us. So we should keep away from such type of people also, such type of friends also. And the third type of people, they listen our problem, they don't tell it to anybody, or they did not forget it. They actually try to help us, they actually try to bring us out of the problems. Then now, what is the moral of this story? Moral of this story is that we should recognize people. We should recognize people, and we should live in the company of people who are loyal, who are humble, and who are trustworthy. And we should recognize people who just show that they are trustworthy, they are believable, but they are not trustworthy. So we should keep away from such type of people. Dear friends, here ends this story, and I think our story club show is helping you to improve your English. Dear friends, every day we should listen something in English, because that will help us to improve our English. And English is an international language. Today English has become very important language. That's why we have to learn English, and we have to learn English in easy way. We don't have to use difficult words or hard words, or we don't have to use grammar for learning English. We are using natural way. And what is the natural way? Natural way is that we should listen something, and every day I am telling you new story. This story is giving you new matter, means the subject matter of the story is new, and we also learning some moral from these stories. These stories are helping us how to behave in our life, what type of people are in the world, and how we have to adjust with them, how we have to behave with them. That's why I think story club is very effective. It will teach you to speak English confidently. It will teach you to speak English effortlessly. It will teach you to speak English easily, and it will make you fluent in English. That's the purpose behind this story club show. So you have to commit to my story club show. Don't quit. You have to commit to our story club show. because one day it will make you perfect in English. So just my request is that you have to give just 10 minutes every day and you have to listen to my stories. That's all. Here ends our story. Thanks a lot. If you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe it. If you like this video, like it, comment on it and share it. Thanks a lot.